Imagine waking up to the sound of gentle waves, the scent of salt in the air, and a view so breathtaking it almost feels unreal. Nestled on the pristine shores of Koh Kood, one of Thailand's most unspoiled islands, Resi Resort is exactly the kind of place that makes you forget the world exists beyond its borders. This is not just a resort, it is a sanctuary where time slows down, where nature takes center stage, and where every detail has been crafted to make guests feel completely at ease. Koh Kood itself sits in the Gulf of Thailand, close to the Cambodian border, and remains one of the least commercialized islands in the entire country. That untouched quality is precisely what makes Resi Resort so special. The island has managed to preserve its natural beauty, and the resort leans fully into that, offering an experience that feels both luxurious and deeply connected to the surrounding environment. The accommodations at Resi Resort are designed with a philosophy of simplicity meeting elegance. Each villa and bungalow is thoughtfully positioned to maximize ocean views and natural ventilation, allowing the tropical breeze to flow freely through open-air spaces. The interiors blend natural materials like wood and bamboo with modern comforts, creating an atmosphere that feels warm, organic, and genuinely inviting. Guests can choose from beachfront bungalows that sit just steps from the water's edge to garden villas surrounded by lush, tropical greenery. Every room is equipped with essential amenities while maintaining that sense of being close to nature rather than isolated from it. The private terraces and balconies become personal retreats where guests can sip their morning coffee while watching the sun rise over the Gulf of Thailand, painting the sky in shades of gold and amber. The attention to detail in each space reflects a genuine commitment to guest comfort without sacrificing the authentic island atmosphere that makes Koh Kood so remarkable. Food at Resi Resort is an experience in itself. The resort's restaurant draws heavily from local Thai culinary traditions, incorporating fresh seafood caught daily by local fishermen and produce sourced from nearby farms and markets. Guests can enjoy authentic Thai dishes bursting with aromatic herbs and bold flavors, alongside lighter international options for those seeking variety. Dining here is not simply about eating. It is about the full sensory experience of sitting by the water, feeling the breeze, hearing the waves, and savoring food that has been prepared with genuine care and skill. The beachside setting transforms every meal into a memorable occasion, whether it is a casual breakfast at sunrise or a candlelit dinner under a sky full of stars. The bar offers a curated selection of tropical cocktails, fresh fruit juices, and local beverages that perfectly complement the laid-back island mood. Every sip and every bite feels like a celebration of the place itself. Resi Resort understands that different guests come with different intentions. Some arrive seeking adventure, while others simply need to decompress and recharge. For the explorers, the resort offers snorkeling trips to vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life, kayaking along the coastline, and guided treks through Koh Kood's dense jungle interior where hidden waterfalls await discovery. The island's waters are remarkably clear, making every underwater excursion feel like swimming through a living painting. For those who prefer stillness, the resort provides the perfect environment for complete relaxation. Hammocks strung between palm trees, a serene swimming pool overlooking the sea, and wellness treatments inspired by traditional Thai healing practices offer a path to genuine restoration. The beach itself, with its powdery white sand and calm turquoise waters, is an invitation to simply exist without agenda or obligation. What truly sets Resi Resort apart is not any single feature, but the cumulative feeling it creates. It is the warmth of the staff who greet guests like family, the quietness of an island that has not been overrun by mass tourism, and the rare sense of being somewhere genuinely special. Koh Kood is a destination that rewards those willing to travel a little further, and Rest Sea Resort is the ideal home base for experiencing everything this extraordinary island has to offer. Long after guests return home, the memories of those sunsets, those meals, and that profound sense of peace remain vivid and lasting.